Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ashley here. So today I am doing a little haul. So my friend pulled up to my house during whole hours, and whole hours is anytime after 11 p.m. and this was literally like 3 o'clock in the morning. So she was on her way back to Boston, but she was giving me my Valentine's Day gift. Love her. As I said before, I already recorded this look, so I already kind of like dropped a little information on her, but we go back like cornrows and swooped bangs with the ramen noodle ends. So she ended up dropping off like a bunch of makeup for me. Like, I'm so grateful for her. Like, Jane is off the chain, literally. So I got the Alyssa Edwards palette. That's what I use for my eyes, and she also got me about like a bunch of other stuff, her and her sister. Shout out to Jennifer. Like, thank you guys for being so bomb. Like, I tell you, like, school puts like a wear and tear, and you know, when you have people in your life that really appreciate you and are down and are always there, it's like such a blessing. So I ended up getting some scented bath soap. So it's supposed to be hand dipped in glycerin soap and fragrance, and you're gonna use one at a time, and it's perfect for a quick wash or a luxurious bath. So this is what they look like. So pretty, and like pink is my favorite color, so that was like a great buy. I also got the Too Faced Razzle Dazzle Berry eyeshadow palette. Now this palette is scented. Like, I love the fact that all of Too Faced products are scented because I like to smell things. I don't know if that's just me. So this is what the outside of the packaging looks like, and I think I broke some of it. It fell. But this is what it looks like, the colors look like. Like, there's some berries in there towards the end. Like, this shadow is going to be like nice for like a smoky, some brow highlights, creases, super pretty colors, and they smell so good. Like, I can smell the raspberry. Something that I can hang in my room. It says the only drama I enjoy is my lashes. And I also have something else from her that she got that I like hung up in my room as well. So this is this. I also got some Morphe brushes. This is the I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection. So I'm always in dire need of brushes, so thank you. I appreciate y'all, because it's hard out here for us YouTubers, makeup artists, college, grad school students. It's hard. So like, I appreciate the brushes. I like always need brushes, always. Even though like I have a good handful of brushes, I still always. Oh, you guys already know that I did the Patricia Bright Times Makeup Revolution review on the Rich in Life palette, and they got me the Rich in Color palette. Like, I cannot deal. Like, I legit sat on my floor and was like crying, because I was just like, why are y'all so good to me? Like, I don't get it. So this was the brighter version to the Rich in Life. So the Rich in Life palette was more of like neutral colors. So this had all the bright colors, and like, ah, look at how pretty all of these colors are. Like, this is gonna be so bomb for like the summertime. Like, these are all the colors. So I can't wait to dive into that palette. I also got the Sephora Pro Dimensional Highlight palette. This is what it looks like. Excuse my fingerprint. The product looks like. So this is going to be so bomb in terms of layering like a nice cream highlight and like really brightening up and making the skin look like skin. This is like perfect for that, like that nice dewy look without having to super oily. Like, you could just make the skin look like skin. So love that for me. Also got a 3-piece full face blender set. So y'all already know I've been riding it out with my beauty blender sponge. She got cut, but I'm riding until the wheels fall off. So it's great to have like 3 new ones, because I wasn't letting my sponge go. I spent my $20 on my beauty blender, and I was gonna ride it till the wheels fall off. And I also got a Tutti Frutti highlighter stick. by Too Faced, and it's in the color Strawberry Sparkle. So it kind of almost looks like a foundation tube. This is the packaging. Ooh, it smells super, oh man, it really smells like strawberries. So this is what it looks like. I'll swatch it for y'all. This is beautiful. It's like that beautiful like rose gold iridescent. So that'll be super pretty as a highlight as well, just to like blend it into the cheek. Bomb. And the fact that it smells good too, like it smells so good. So that's all the makeup products that I got. And she also, I can't deal, she also got me a bin with treats. I had a bottle of Moscato, but it got confiscated, but it was delicious. It was strawberry. Let's see, I think this is like a bath bomb. It comes in like a little jar. Bruh, this is a cupcake. I just didn't eat it. Yo, I thought this was a bath bomb. My bad. Okay, I think now it's not too late. It's not too late. I'm putting it in the microwave or something, heat it up and eat it. I didn't know I could eat it. I thought it was like a bath bomb or something. A bear with chocolate and some lashes on the heart. This is so cute. There's some lollipops in here. Some wine glasses that look like this, like heart shape, like a wonderful dinner date. And scented bath crystals. I'm a Claire, so it's just going to, I don't really smell anything. I have like a serious nose. I could smell everything, literally. Yeah, there's no scent, so I think it's really just, well, it says scented. Oh, vanilla frosting. So maybe when it gets into the water and then it disperses, I'll start to smell it. But through the packaging, I don't smell anything. But yes, so those are my goodies. Shout out to Jane and Jennifer for keeping me laced with some goodies. I appreciate you guys. It is so important to have like a support system and like really good friends, and you know, I appreciate you guys so much, and I can't wait to kill it with all the stuff that y'all got me. I definitely did the Alyssa Edwards. I used the Alyssa Edwards palette, so that's this look. So that's going up most likely before this video. And yeah, guys, I will list all the items that I got down below. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below as well. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I will leave the subscribe button and also a video somewhere on the screen for you guys to watch. And as usual, guys, thank you for all the support and tuning in. And until next time, thanks for watching.